Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. I've got China Glaze living in the Elmo-ment and Beauty Big Bang XL039. I've started off with Dainty Digits, Glitter Be Gone. And this is such an unusual polish. It's red with hollow glitter. It's so Elmo. I love it. So here we go. We're going to hop in with the first coat. And surprisingly, it's got a really good formula. I'm really liking it. It's a little chunky, but it wasn't hard to work with, which I approve of that, you know. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. Ta-da! I'm going to let it dry just for a second and start working on the nails again. But we're going to have a visit from Woody. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So here we go with our second coat of Living in the Elmo-ment. I really did like this one, and I was really surprised that it was on clearance at Sally's. So, you know, normally they don't have just pretty shades, but this one's very pretty. So here is my third coat. I probably could have got away with two, but now you guys know, when they're jelly like this, I like to go ahead and do that third coat, making sure that end is all smooth. I am going to use the American Classics Jealous to kind of fill in any lumps or bumps from that. I mean, it's got a chock full of glitters in it, so I want to make sure that it's smooth. This is what I use so that I don't have to keep applying layers and layers of top coats. So there we go. And now I'm going to go in with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Do a nice, smooth, glossy, quick dry top coat. Oh, it's just, ugh, luscious. I'm really liking it. Got that free edge. Just need to make sure it's smooth. There we go. And there is a swatch photo of it on its own. This is Beauty Big Bang XL039. I've got my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper, and this is Heart of Gold by Nailtiques. And I'm just going to use this image right here in the corner for some accent nails. I'm going to behave a little bit today. I'm going to do my thumb, middle, and ring nail today. I'm going to leave a couple of nails open so I can just stare at that hollow, the hollow glitter. There we go. I do clean off my stamper on a lint roller, and I clean the plate with pure acetone. Makes it easy cleanup. I do like this gold from Nailtiques. It's really working out pretty well. I didn't have any trouble with this one. So I think this might have been the first time I've used this one. There we go. Now we got her done. I'm going to take a little piece of tape and go around the edge of my fingers to get up any excess stamping polish. And that came up really well. I'm going to use the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques today. I haven't, like I said, I hadn't played with the stamping polish, so I don't know if it smears. Just be safe and go ahead and use that. I am going to top it all off with another coat of Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. There we go. Capping that free edge again. Look at that sparkle on that thumb. Pretty, pretty. So there we have it. Here is my mani in motion. I do have a swatch photo coming up here soon. There it is. And I would love to hear what you think about this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.